Greetings, ma'am. As it's election day in NPS International School, my question towards you is that NPS has had a council since very start. My question to you is that how does it help the students to grow in their future lives, or how does it enrich their leadership skills?
If you ask me how does it help the students, of course it gives a platform, an experience where they can take the whole school together. When we say school council members, means they are representing the entire school. This council body represents the entire school. So there is a saying, leaders are not born, they are made. So here they can build themselves, nurture themselves and be nation's leader maybe sometime, and also they will have the opportunity to take all the roles and responsibilities together along with them.
Ma'am, what do you expect from this year's council members?
I expect the discipline, of course. The discipline should be maintained. The roles and responsibilities should be purely followed. And they should first themselves nurture themselves to road. And they should not show the power of themselves, but they should be very approachable, very kind. And also they should do not get into troubles, do not get into any indisciplined activities. That's all.
Thank you very much, ma'am, for your time.
You have nominated yourself as the head girl this year, right? So how did the campaign go?
The campaign has been very exciting. I have got huge support from the students, online and offline, and the teachers have been very encouraging about it.
I heard that Sangi is your competitor, right? So do you think she is a tough competitor?
Yes, competing with Sangi is definitely very exciting. She is a tough competition, but I do think we should win.
Do you think the students will support you?
Yes, I believe the students should support me in regards to my agendas and the values that I put forward.
So let's see what will be the results then.
Yes.
So you have nominated yourself as the head girl this year.
Yes, I have.
Yes. So how did the campaign go?
I think that for me it went pretty well, even though I've been hearing a lot of stuff. But then overall, I think that the campaigning went pretty well.
So Prishni is a competitor, right, for the head girl?
Yes, she is.
So do you think she is a tough competitor for you?
Honestly, she's a bright student, but then it really depends on the leadership qualities. And I think that as much as she has it, I think that we both are very competitive. So let's see how it goes.
So when you did the campaign, what was the responses of the students?
It was great support since I'm a boarder, obviously. But then it's not about the boarder and day scholar. I think that overall, I think I really got a good support. So I'm really thankful for that.
Do you believe that you will become the head girl this year?
I have no comments on that, but I hope that the person whoever gets it, I hope that they become a great leader for this school.
Thank you so much.